Hello, everyone. Today is August 27th, 2021, and I'm coming to you with yet another smart contract update. This one is the tronforce.io. This one, I think it got lost in my file somewhere. I don't remember when we actually started working with this smart contract, but let's just do a recap of what it's offering. 300% ROI, a withdrawal every 5 days. Oh, that's why I haven't been checking in. So a withdrawal every 5 days, automatic reinvestment of 40%, 10% added to insurance. So you're withdrawing 50% of your available withdrawal balance. It's paying 3% daily. They have 15% referral options on 5 levels, starting at 5% going to 1%. And the referral commission goes directly to your wallet, so that's not going to be calculated into any reinvestment or anything. They also have this option where you can use this force button and it'll be an automatic 90% reinvestment. I don't think we're going to do that one. And then there's a 1% bonus for top investors and refers each week. So looks like what they have totally invested is 98,960 TRX. And it looks like on this smart contract, I had 6 referrals. So, and then the dividends that we've earned so far is 36.49. And let's just take a look at their smart contract stats on TronScan. There's currently 67,761.73 TRX in the contract. That is the equivalent of 5,869.15 US dollars. There's been 199 transactions so far, and this contract was created August 15th. So still fairly new. Yeah, so almost 2 weeks in. They're not growing pretty fast at all. I think for us, we did an initial deposit of 100 TRX. I'll give it 3 or 4 more days for it to grow up a bit more, and then we'll do a withdrawal and let it do the automatic redeposit. So we're only earning 3, I think it's 3 TRX a day. Yep. So we'll leave it for now and see how it goes. We'll check back in, and I will see you on the next video.